Superintendent in charge of training here in Cold War. Just doing a quick video today, just going over some of our main components that we run for our SmartPAD operation. Currently we're out on a location by Dawson Creek, British Columbia. We're doing a typical plug and perf operation here, so I'll run through a few of our main components that we run. So this particular box here is called our SIB, which is our surface interface box. These are what we run at the wellheads. This particular one we run one SIB and it can run 2 wells. Basically it is, running all our valve position sensors, our pressure sensors, and our beacons, and also giving us a local network that we're feeding back to our edge server, which is going to be able to display all our data to our dashboard. So very, very simple. Everything's labeled here for us. Just runs off 110 power. And then if we ever happen to lose 110 power, whether it's coming from a light plant, a generator, whatever, we run to a SIB backup battery. It just connects to the SIB. It'll usually give you between a half an hour and an hour just to figure out your power issue going directly to your SIB. We do have a display panel that we set up with the SIB as well. That way, wellhead technicians, consultants, anybody who's around the wellheads can physically see the valve positions shown and the pressures as well, and the beacon inputs. So this is one of our new daisy chain valve position sensors. So basically it attaches to the clamp and attaches right onto the valve. This one is it's a 10-inch stroke. We are able to extend the stroke if we have a longer stroke valve. We just add extensions on here, and we have just a magnet on the end that will attach right to the valve stem. So very, very simple. Like I said, this is our new daisy chain setup. So better sensor, eliminating some equipment physically that we need to have at the wellheads, as opposed to our old BPSs that we run as well. So really, really good. So we do run 2 types of pressure sensors. We run our 1502 hammer union, our normal sensors, frac line, pump down lines, 2-inch pumps, wherever we want to run it. We can also run them on the wellheads as long as they have the correct connections for us to tie into. But typically we tie in this is our pencil transducer that we run. So both are 15K deucers. This is just a 9/16 autoclave, which will attach into the instrument flange right on the wellhead, and reads us all the pressures that we want. Okay guys, I just want to talk quickly about our gateways that we have. So this is going to give us a physical local network as well as our internet. So these run off strictly cellular data. They just have a SIM card inside of them. So we have a bunch of different carriers that we can flip to, just depending on what kind of cell range that we have. They got lots of Ethernet ports in them. That way we can also use it as a switch if we needed to. We can run 4G and 3G antennas with it. So this is a typical antenna placement that we'll have to run our gateways. A couple things that are extremely important for antenna placement is if we have a cell tower on location like we do here, we want to make sure that we have a direct line of sight from our cell tower to our antenna. As best as we can, just to give us the best possible internet that we can get. The other thing is that height is going to be a big factor. So if you don't have great internet, little things we can do, play with your booster on your gateway, antenna height, maybe move it around, like I said, to get a better line of sight. So those are things that are really going to help you to hopefully get a better internet.